Hello everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So make sure you do subscribe as well as hit that little bell icon so you can be alerted when I put out new content. So as you can see, I purchased some more thredup mystery boxes. This is the last few weeks of my pregnancy, so I'm trying to get in as much inventory as possible right now so that I am stocked up and don't have to go sourcing. I could obviously purchase more denim and other boxes from thredup, so I might do that. But today I'm going to be unboxing a 25-pound men's mystery box. And basically it was $115, just shy of 120 after taxes. I think it was like 118 and some change. So yeah, let's see how much is inside. Typically I get a lot more items with the women's, but you get more new with tag items and usable items out of the men's. So let's see what's inside. All right, the first item here is just a Champion, kind of just gray sweatshirt, size medium. Oh, and if you're interested in purchasing anything before I list it online, just let me know in the comment section. I've started selling on like Facebook Reels, Instagram, short stories, also TikToks. So if you're interested, let me know before I get it listed. The next one is APC New Standard jeans. I have not heard of this brand. I mean, they look like they're nice. Again, I'm just not familiar with men's brands. I don't think this is anything special, but I'm not an expert on men's, so let me know if you've heard of the brand. All right, this is a Zara Man. So Zara is not an expensive brand and it doesn't do really well for me in women's clothing, but every Zara piece, even dress pants that I have gotten in my men's boxes, have sold. Now it doesn't sell for a ton, but at least they have sold. So I think I sold a blazer for $22 and dress pants for $14 if I'm not mistaken. So not a huge, huge sell, but at least they sold. All right, this is Modern Couture jeans. They look like just pull-on jeans, men's jeans. It's like a cigarette wash, size large. So yeah, I'm doubting these are anything special since they are in a size large versus actually by waist size. I typically find if it's, even in women's, if it's medium, small, medium, large, it's probably in jeans, at least it's not something super expensive. All right, this is an Adidas. It feels like a lightweight, just workout long sleeve. It's a size small. All right, some dress pants here. Here's the brand. Not sure on that one. Just some nice dress pants, kind of lightweight. I've been not listing all of the dress stuff in men's, unless again it's like Zara or something like that. But I think I might start doing it, especially even if I just get a few dollars. It's not bad, but I don't have the best luck with dress wear. So another Adidas. What we got here? Oh, Patagonia. So Patagonia is something that I never thought I would get in one of these rescue boxes, but I've gotten in the women's quite a few times as well as the men's. So it's kind of awesome because it literally sells basically instantly. All right, Amazon essentials. I like the shorts, but yeah, that's maybe gonna be a couple dollars. I might even just put it in the garage sale, we'll see, because I still have not got my garage sale ready yet. It's been a whirlwind, let's just say that. J. Crew short sleeve. J. Crew does okay for men's. It's gonna be like a $10 to $15 sell. So again, nothing except for the Patagonia so far has been like, yay! All right, 32 degrees. And this one, the tag's a little bit worn, and although there's not a whole lot of peeling, it just feels like it's been washed a lot. That fuzzy feeling. All right, J. Crew again, button down. I kind of like this plaid, that's cool. Like those print. Ooh, I like this one. Look at this print. This is an amazing print. I feel like I've heard of Chubbies before, but I'm not for sure. It's a size medium, but oh my goodness, I love this pullover. And then some Adidas workout pants. These are just extra larges. Cuffed waist, or cuffed ankle, I should say, not waist. Bonobos, 31 by 32 men's jeans. I looked this up in the last, because the last box I got like two or three pairs, and it's decent. I mean, it's not bad, so we'll see. I always feel like I get socks or underwear in these lots, so yeah, some new underwear. And then some ties, Club Room by Charter Club. I don't do well with ties, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Donald J. Pliner. I would list on eBay, but I've got to figure out the whole eBay scene. And this one is like Saxony. This one feels nice, but I don't think it is. This is just a Lucky Brand long sleeve top. FJ, I do believe this is just a department brand, and it doesn't resell for a lot or sell for a lot new, so I don't think I'm going to do well with that one, but it is lightweight, so I don't know, we'll see. Russell new tag, size medium, just sweatshirt. This is J. Crew again, and what size is it? It just says large, so slim fit large. And so far I haven't seen any flaws, but obviously I'm just showing you guys, so you probably see more flaws in the front than me. Nike Golf, size large. Nike Golf does pretty well. Not a huge flip, but pretty well. All right, so let's see what these bad boys are. Ooh, Todd's. So I have heard Todd's is a good brand, so I'm gonna have to look up comps on these ones. They're in really good condition. They are worn, obviously, but not horrible. And Bonobos, another pair of Bonobos, 31 by 32. So what most likely, a lot of these, like the Adidas were the same size, the Bonobos were the same size. So it probably came from the same person, to be honest. But yeah, these are in really good condition also. And of course, it wouldn't be a thredup mystery box without a blazer. Let's see what brand this one is. Oh, it's the same one of the, what was it, pants? Yeah, so it must be a whole suit. That might do better than as an entire suit than just separate, but I don't know. We'll see. This one is Pronto Umo Platinum, 100% wool. Another just kind of dress blazer, or not blazer, but vest. What is this guy? Oh, the same brand, Pronto Umos. So more than likely that's probably a set, which might make it sell better for me. I haven't been really listing the blazers. I've just been redonating them, but that could be leaving some money on the table. So maybe I'll just go ahead and just try to list it. Just a universal thread travel bag. Definitely probably won't be selling that one. Might be a garage sale item. All right, this is a new tag Old Navy. Feels like a swim top. Yeah, UV proof 40. UPF, not proof, I don't know. It's a size medium. This is a really cool polo top. So Polo by Ralph Lauren, medium. Just one small stain on the cuff there. But yeah, it's got really cool logos on it. And the last two items here. No idea, so I'm not gonna try. But yeah, just a vest, a yellow vest, kind of like reminds me of a golfer. Small Under Armour, and it does have some slight cracking on the Under Armour logo, but not a ton. So let me add them up and I'll be back to tell you how many I got in the 25 pounds. All right, so it ended up being 34 items. Again, a small stack is gonna be for the garage sale, and then the rest I will take the time to list. So if you're interested in me making a video of what's sold, just let me know in the comment section. It does take me a little bit to make those videos, so only if you guys really want to see them, I will sit down and take the time to make them. but most of my sales lately have been items from thredup mystery boxes. So yeah, I'd love to share with you what stuff is selling for and how good I'm doing with these boxes. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that everyone has an amazing day.